Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity for independent cleaners, working as a subcontractor for cleaning contractors. If you've been thinking about expanding your business but aren't quite ready to take on huge clients directly, this could be the perfect step for you. We're going to break down everything you need to know about working as an independent contractor with cleaning companies, from the benefits to the steps you need to take to land these gigs. Let's jump in. First things first, let's define what it means to work as a subcontractor. When you work as a subcontractor, you're essentially partnering with a larger cleaning company. Instead of landing direct contracts with clients, the cleaning company hires you to fulfill part of their obligations. You're still an independent business, but you'll be working under the umbrella of the contractor. This arrangement can be a win-win for both parties. The cleaning company gets extra help without having to hire full-time staff, and you get access to bigger, more lucrative jobs that might otherwise be out of reach. You handle the actual cleaning work, while the main contractor deals with securing the clients, managing the contracts, and handling the billing. So, why consider working as a subcontractor? Let's break it down. One of the biggest advantages is that you can secure a steady stream of work without having to constantly hustle for new clients. This is especially useful if you're just starting out or if you're looking to scale up your business without the hassle of client acquisition. As a subcontractor, you'll likely be working on bigger projects than you might normally handle on your own. This gives you valuable experience with larger contracts, making it easier to take on similar clients independently in the future. One of the biggest headaches for independent cleaners is all the admin work: client communication, billing, scheduling, etc. When you subcontract, the main contractor takes care of most of this, leaving you to focus on the cleaning. Working closely with established cleaning contractors can open doors for future opportunities. You'll get to know key players in the industry and build relationships that could lead to direct contracts down the road. Okay, so how do you actually get started working as a subcontractor for cleaning contractors? Here are the steps you'll need to follow. Start by identifying cleaning contractors in your area who might need extra hands. Look for companies that specialize in large-scale contracts like office buildings, schools, or hospitals. These are the types of clients where contractors often need to bring in subcontractors to help with the workload. Once you've identified potential companies, the next step is pitching yourself. Just like you would with any client, you'll need to present a strong case for why they should work with you. Highlight your experience, your specialties, and the quality of your work. And don't forget to showcase your reliability. Contractors need to know they can count on you to show up and deliver excellent service. When working as a subcontractor, having your paperwork in order is crucial. Make sure you have a solid service agreement ready, outlining your rates, responsibilities, and payment terms. You'll also need to have proper business licenses, insurance, and tax documentation in place. Contractors will expect you to be fully legitimate, so don't skip this step. Cleaning contractors often work with a variety of clients with different needs. Offering flexibility in your schedule and services can make you more attractive as a subcontractor. Be open to different hours, such as evenings or weekends, and be willing to adjust your offerings based on the contractor's needs. Once you've secured a subcontracting gig, the real key to long-term success is maintaining a strong working relationship with the contractor. Here are a few tips to help with that. Just like with any client, clear and consistent communication is crucial. Make sure you're on the same page about expectations, deadlines, and job details. If any issues arise during the job, address them immediately and professionally. If you say you'll be there at 7 a.m., be there at 6:55. Contractors rely on subcontractors to help meet their obligations, and if you're unreliable, they'll stop sending work your way. Always deliver on what you promise. And if there are any delays or challenges, communicate them as soon as possible. When you work as a subcontractor, the contractor's reputation is on the line. so make sure your work is top-notch. Treat each job as if you were working directly for the client and go the extra mile to ensure satisfaction. A contractor will keep bringing you back if they know you deliver consistent, high-quality results. Even though you're technically working for the contractor and not directly for their clients, you should still present yourself as a professional at all times. Be polite, wear appropriate attire, and always act as a representative of the main company when on the job. When working as a subcontractor, setting your rates can be a bit tricky. Some contractors will set a fixed rate for labor, and you'll need to decide whether or not you're comfortable working within those terms. However, in some cases, you might be able to negotiate your rates. Here are a few factors to consider. Research the going rates for subcontractors in your area. What are other independent cleaners charging? What kind of rates do larger cleaning companies offer? Knowing this will help you set a baseline for your pricing. Don't forget to include your operating costs when setting your rates. This includes things like supplies, transportation, insurance, and any administrative costs. You want to make sure that after covering all your expenses, you're still making a healthy profit. When negotiating rates with a contractor, be upfront about what's included in your pricing. Are supplies included, or will the contractor need to provide them? Is your rate flat, or does it depend on the scope of the job? Clear communication about your pricing will prevent misunderstandings down the line. Working as a subcontractor can also be a great way to scale your business. Here's how you can take it to the next level. As you take on more subcontracting jobs, you may find that you can't do it all on your own. This is the perfect opportunity to start building your own team of subcontractors. You can hire reliable cleaners and manage them while still working under larger contractors. This allows you to take on more work and expand your business. If you've been working in one niche, like residential or office cleaning, consider expanding your skill set to offer more services. This could include things like floor waxing, carpet cleaning, or specialized services like biohazard cleanup. The more services you can offer, the more valuable you become to contractors. Once you've proven yourself to a contractor, they'll be more likely to offer you consistent work. Focus on building long-term relationships where they see you as a go-to subcontractor for their bigger jobs. And there you have it. Working as an independent subcontractor with cleaning contractors can open up a whole world of opportunities, from steady work to bigger contracts and the chance to grow your business. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more strategies to help you level up your cleaning business. Thanks for watching Dan the Cleaning Man, and remember, keep it clean and keep it professional.